What's going on, smooth traders? Welcome to a Sunday edition of the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. What's going on, Joey? Thank you for being here. I think we got a couple other people in here too. Some on mobile, some on the regular. What's going on, Quantum Twist? Happy to see you guys here on a Sunday night. The market's open and she is gapping up. Look at her go already. Woof, man. Look at her go. Look at her go. Damn. No time for pleasantries here. Market wanted higher, and we're going higher. Going back to, damn, man, that was nasty. Friday's high. Right now we just hit Friday's high. Oof, man. What are you guys expecting that? What's up, AMA? Jay Nash, what's going on? Oof, that was gnarly. Was anybody expecting that? Yeah, there's been a bunch of news over the weekend, some bullish news over the weekend. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Man, that was crazy. What a pump. All right, so let's see if we can get in on some of this. See if we can get in on some of this. Switch over to that 1 minute. So we gapped up just a bit. 95 points. Market really does want to try these higher prices, doesn't it? It sure does. Yeah, that was some good volume there on the open. No reason to rush into a trade Sunday night. Yeah, I know. No reason to get all crazy. How you guys feeling? You guys doing all right? Had a good weekend? I got to play basketball this morning. That's always a good thing for me. Wish I could play ball more during the week too, but not always have the time. Now it's getting dark early too, so for me to go play basketball at like 6:30, before it was like, yeah, sun is going down. I still got a couple, like an hour or so before the sun fully goes down. Now at 6:30, it's dark out. And I just don't feel like leaving the house when it's dark. I get scared. Two high volume candles right on the open. So Trump is talking about releasing a 50-year mortgage, which is horrible, to be honest with you. It will make prices of homes just go higher. Not a good thing. Overall, in long term, not a good thing. I mean, it is and it's not. It's just, it's not a good thing. I don't think it's a good thing. He's also talking about releasing a $2,000 stimulus check. If we can use that tariff money, we'll give $2,000 to every taxpayer that qualifies. You would have to qualify though. Can't be a degenerate. You have to be paying your taxes. All right, we're getting a little pullback now. We'll zoom in a little bit more here into the 15 seconds, see what is actually going on. It's knockout week in the cup. It is, huh? How are they doing? Rip's team is number 1 right now. Wow, they're doing really good. BDM, I'm not sure what BDM is. That's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. Let's look at the leaderboard. How's the leaderboard doing? I don't want to see the. I don't want to see. I just want to see the leaderboard. Week 2 bottom. Select team. I don't want to select the team. I want all. Failed to load data. I don't know. Something's going on. Just giving some back right now. I think she's going to continue higher. We'll see a push to the upside here in a bit. You're 716 and you're coming for him smooth? Yeah, that's good, Joe. You're going to get it. What do you, where did he cut off? The bottom 30%? You're in last place, but you had 93% win rate. What's up, Paul? I was trying to put in a short right when they gapped up, and my order got rejected because TopStep is saying the market is still closed. Trying again, the market opens. Try again when the market opens. Wow. Well, I guess it's a good thing that you didn't get that short. 30% of traders every day. Oof, you're gonna have to start going ham. Can you guys believe that Bitcoin rallied over the weekend? She's still doing good now, until she wants to go up to that 107 mark. That's the area that I had. That's the area I was considering for my long I had last week, but it came all the way back down to 99 and knocked everybody out again. So that didn't work out too well. But it is recuperating. ETH is up almost 6% today. Some of the other cryptos are up even more. But ETH is leading the pack. So we got alt season coming probably. That's a good indication for alts. Now let's take a look at what gold is doing right now. Looks like gold also doing really well right now. Doing really well. Got a high volume candle right in the open. Bitcoin is also ripping to the upside. Doing really, really well. Let's see if the YM got the same treatment. It did. It did. ES not so much though. ES is looking kind of weak. It's probably the chips that are getting some momentum right now. Oil is not doing so well. It's kind of going sideways at the moment, right? Not doing much. It's creating a wedge. That's awesome, Paul. 93% win rate. Market's moving kind of slow. The ATRs are not bad though. You got a 15 on the. You got a 15 right now on the 1 minute ATR. ABC News reports that enough Democrats are expected to support a short-term funding bill to reopen the government. Yeah, I heard things are getting kind of scary right now at the airports, and people's welfare and SNAP coupons are not getting processed. That's not good. This is going to grind up tonight or fill the gap. We got a gap to the upside, right, don't we? I think somebody mentioned that as well last week. I think we do have a gap. Let's see. Let's see where that gap is. That gap's right there, huh? See, some people think this is the gap, when in actuality, the gap is where the price closed. So I would see the gap as being at 25,289. Thanks for reminding me of that, Joey. We got another one up there too. See, I color my gaps a different color, so I know they're gaps. She's not moving much. There she goes. All right. Yeah, 50-year mortgage. If Trump does get his way, is gonna increase home prices, making it way more out of reach for more Americans. Man, I've been telling you, it's gonna actually make the payments cheaper, but the home prices are gonna explode, which is gonna be good for the economy because then people will get to sell their homes for more money, putting more money into the economy. But people's salaries are not gonna catch up with the price of these homes. So eventually, the home prices will be even higher. Well, when I mean home prices, the monthly mortgage payments will be even higher than they are now because the rates don't always stay low. So if home prices continue to go higher, let's say if you're doubling, almost doubling the term of a mortgage from 30 years to 50, you're going to almost double the average home price. But people's incomes are not going to almost double. Even in the next few years or next 5 to 10 years, it probably won't double. So it's going to be even more expensive for people to own homes. Inflation is going to go up even more. This is just kicking the can down the road. This is horrible. TopStep is down. Damn, Mickey. Gaps indicator. You use a gap indicator, Cam. Joey, you're only 22. Are you really only 22? I thought you were older, dude. You have an old soul. You have an old persona. Yeah, that was a good looking little long in here right now. I didn't take it. I was just talking too much. Yeah, it looks like they're going to run right back up here to Friday's overnight high. Yeah, they might actually push right back down here. Looks like that's maybe what they want to do. Hit that VWAP right there too. That VWAP that we just opened with. Oh, thanks, Cam. Yeah, you're a little wise for your age, huh? Yeah, you're wise beyond your years. And you're 22, dude. I'm like twice your age. Here I am thinking we were close in age. Oh, I was completely wrong. No real direction right now. It's just kind of chop, chop, chop. That could change. You're sorry because you're so young? Don't be sorry, brother. It wasn't your fault. Your parents conceived you way too late. They should have conceived you a lot younger. Maybe when they were like 10. Nice little push. Got the chart up on a 15-second because it's going really slow right now, so I figured a 15-second to give a little more excitement. When Tokyo opens, you can see some good movements. What time is Tokyo open? 8 o'clock? No trades yet. Joey talked me off the ledge. I wanted to take a trade as soon as I saw the first candle, and Joey said, don't do it, don't do it. So I didn't do it. It's all Joey's fault. Might want to take one soon, though. We'll see. Let me try a quick long. Why are you not going? Why is my things not working? Oh, TopStep's not working. I mean, Project X is not working? Oh, bro, you gotta be kidding me. Shorts look good, Tejo? They had my short order. I wanted it in a profit right now. What happened, dude? I just took a long. No, it's not working for me. What just happened? Guys, is Project X down for everybody? Is Project X down? Oh, man. That sucks. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. Okay. That's pretty crazy. Well, let's do some good old-fashioned paper trading. I should call it ICT trading. All right, let's see if we can get in on some of this. right, market's giving some of this pumpiness back. Let's make some doll hairs here. Let's go, NQ. Give us that pumpiness, baby. You guys into pumpiness or you guys like dumpiness? Depends which side of the trade you're on. You would have done really well on the short? Yeah. Project still hasn't changed their clocks. Joey, where'd you come up with this stuff, bro? See if they end up rejecting up here. I'm gonna put it at break even, that way it could just protect this trade. If it dips down again, we'll get into a we'll get into a new trade if it makes sense. But she could be rejecting right now. She looks kind of rejection-y. She looks a little rejection-y. If she breaks above here, then we may try another long, but she could be kind of rejection-y right now. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see if we take one off. Slam, baby. Nope. I'm actually going to give it a little more room. I'm going to give it to up here. And I'm going to give this one a little bit of Monica. A little bit of Monica. Come on, baby. Give us a little bit of Monica. Slow grind down, maybe. 15 seconds doesn't look too slow, though. Thanks for subscribing, Brian Sam. Well, if it's anywhere near California, they have not accepted the clocks being set back, so they could be messing it up, too. Dude, there's some weird people. There's people that say the earth is flat and that the clocks didn't go back. Clearly, the clocks went back. My iPhone begs to differ. It did go back. So my iPhone made the sun come up an hour or later, an hour earlier, and set an hour earlier too. My iPhone did that. Come on, baby, dump it. Dump it for Joey. Quantum says it looks kind of dumpy. Yes, Quantum, I do agree. They could be bringing it back now. Who knows? The Earth isn't flat. Christopher Columbus proved that it wasn't flat back in 1492. And then he killed a bunch of Indians. Come on, Joey. Maybe he killed them because they were flat earthers. There was some kind of proposal that passed about not accepting the time change. Yeah, I think something like that. I heard something like that in passing. Why is there no video of my face on Discord? Because I'm just sharing my screen. I'm not sharing through OBS. OBS is the one that makes me appear on the Discord. So I can't broadcast to Discord from OBS. So on Discord, I just share my screen of my chart. It hasn't broken out of the 1 minute downtrend yet, so I'm waiting for a breakout of the downtrend before I go long. Smart. She's kind of holding right now. Sometimes you just gotta know when to hold them and know when to fold them. Very slow and grindy. I thought we were gonna have some faster moves here on the open. Not so. Not so. Yeah, market slowed down a bunch. We got a 3 right now in the ATR on the 15 second. It was up at 7 and change earlier. Just gotta know when to hold them, guys. Know when to fold them. Do not walk. Very dangerous. Oh, man. All right, TopStep's working now? When you say TopStep, you mean Project X, right, Joel? TP1. Thanks for the heads up, man. What session is this now? This is Sydney, I think it is. This is Australia. Australia, where do you drink Fosters and ride kangaroos? Project X is the API. Not sure. TopStep X new dashboard. So yeah, maybe Project X. Yeah, it's Project X. Tokyo is 7 or 8. I think it's 8 o'clock Tokyo. It's 8 o'clock Eastern. I don't know if you're on the eastern part of the world, but Eastern time, New York City. I heard everyone's leaving New York City and they're coming down to Florida, down with the Gators. Floridians are mad that we're going to end up getting all these people coming from New York. They're mad. Tokyo Open better? We're about to get a dumperoo right here, it looks like. Could be a dumperoo. Oof. Man, she dumpy. Got the TP 395. No DST for them. What happened to Greenland? Yeah, when are we gonna like take over Greenland? You got 600 on that short, Samby? Wow, man. Even on a Sunday, you can't stop you. Even on a Sunday night, you can't stop Sam B. All right, we're out in profits. Got a good signal here. Ended up getting the high volume down and absorption right away, so that's a good reversal indication. That's why I moved my stops and my TPs when I saw that. We'll see if she ends up rejecting once again, though. How much money is needed for this streaming? I don't know what you mean, Touch Up Trader. What does that mean? How much money do I need? Did you win? Yeah, I did. I won. I need only 100 to sponsorship. For I don't know what that means, Cobra. I am also interested. Interested in what, brother? You're interested for streaming? If you want to learn how to stream, there's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to stream. I use OBS. OBS is free software, so you don't really need much money. Careful, guys, because they can still reject from here. This is where it opened up at. Careful. This could be a fake move, guys. Could be a faker. She's moving a little more now. Spreads are pretty nasty right now, though. Spreads are... not that bad. It's about a point. Broke out of the 1 minute downtrend. Can we do through OBS? Yes, OBS. Yeah, hit the likes, guys. That would be nice. To start trading again. It's looking kind of pumpy. Looks to me like she wants to pump. You need 550 to pass your eval? Full ported, baby. Full ported for 3 points. 3 or 4 points. Maybe 5. Going for it. Going for it. Come on. I'm doing it for Joey. I'm doing it for Joey. Come on, Joey. Push, girl, for Joey. Push for Joey. Push for Joey. You gotta catch them while they're sleeping. Come on, girl. Catch them while they're sleeping. Joey didn't want a full port. He didn't trust you. He didn't trust you. I don't trust you either. That's why I moved to break even. Come on, girl. Don't do that. Don't be doing me like that. Push it. Push. Push, girl. Push to the upside. Come on. We only needed 7 points and you stopped at 6. You stopped at 420 now. Come on. A little more push. A little more push. A little more push. Come on. You can do it, girl. 329 is all we need. 329. 329. 329. 329. Push. Alright, I'm going to give you 6. Alright, give me 5. Touch 5. Touch 5. Touch 5. Touch it now. Come on, you serious? You just missed me by a damn... That's what I get for being greedy. Yo, she went to my TP too. Didn't she? Yeah, she did. Oh, she's the worst. I moved it and then she went to my TP. She's the worst. She is the worst. I was going to stretch it out a little more, but that was greed. Greed got me. The greed goblin got me. Trading Nasdaq, yes. Trading Nasdaq. Touch Up Trader, my funded futures. I'm not affiliated with them, man. Sorry. I wish I was, but they won't hook me up. Looks like we might be getting this short coming in soon. You're long? Looks like shorts might be coming in. Let's see. Maybe the long? There's still a chance for the long. Sundays are your worst days? I'm only bad with days that end on the letter Y. Every other day I'm good. You're waiting for 2 more hours, Gory? Yeah, ATRs are dropping again. Not much happening right now. You wait for longs in Tokyo, 8 p.m. Ain't nobody got time for that. We got a FOMO. We have to, Joey. That's the only way. That's the only way to make the real money. It is kind of low volume, and the ATRs are looking all right when market first opened up, but now they're kind of shrinking, so you got to be careful. Hey, Sam B, I'm going to make you a moderator, brother. And if you see anybody that's spamming the chat, please silence them if you're not busy. We had somebody in here just would not stop. Ooh, a nice little candle. Nice little candle. That might be the one to get everybody trapped long. Who knows? Yeah, I just came on here just for a little bit, guys, just to see what would happen with the market today, see if there was anything that was going to go nuts due to all the news over the weekend. And Bitcoin absolutely pumping. So I wanted to see if there was going to be something going on tonight. Yeah, Bitcoin just hit 105,450. Yeah, she's getting very grindy. No real direction right now. Anyone can come and put 100 contracts and move the market? Really? Is it that low volume? Looks like we got about a 2-point spread right now. She ain't looking too good. She's definitely not looking the greatest. In case Sam B wants to see the 1 minute, let me switch over to the 1 minute real quick. 1 minute doesn't look that much better. Got a red diamond down here, bud. She came up, hasn't really put in any yellow absorption candles yet. That's why I'm considering this market to still be weak. We'll see though. Still looking kind of weak. Not really ready to take any other trades yet though. Joey just put 15 minis in. She's consolidating now? Yeah, she is. She'll come right back up on this little move here more than likely. If she does drop, I think she wants to tap the VWAP again. Target 25,183. That's a pretty optimistic target there. Joey's looking for 4,500 on this short. Nice, man. You come from stocks and options. How much is a NQ contract now? What do you mean by that? You mean how much is it to trade one contract? How much margin do you need? How much money do you need to have? Well, if you're going to trade a micro, you need at least like $500 in a broker account. If you want to trade one mini contract, you need probably at least $1,200 or $1,000 in a broker account. But if you're going to trade using prop firms, you can do it as little as $50, $60, and you can use their money. If you trade well, you can use a prop firm's money. Thank you for asking, Thomas. Perhaps 9 p.m. she will push up near the opening. You mean you think she's going to push all the way up to where we were when the market opened, like all the way up here? 25,391. Yeah, looks like she did want to go a bit higher here. Anybody talk to K-Dog, man? I have to check in on him, see how he's making out, how he's feeling. Yeah, we're getting a chop now, guys. The cloud has shrunk and it's looking kind of small right now. Even on the 15-second, she's got no real direction. Yeah, people are happy about 2K checks coming to their homes. Yeah, that's not written in stone yet, though, because we would need a lot more than the amount of money we got from tariffs right now to be able to do that. Gonna be watching gold in the Asia session? Got it. Yeah, I heard gold does trade really well in the Asia session. I think I heard somewhere that in order to give every American $2,000, not every American, but the ones who qualify, $2,000, we would need about $370 billion, and we haven't raised that much from tariffs yet. Directions to the right, that is correct, Jay. Another distraction, yeah. A lot of kids are also still waiting for their student loans to be forgiven. Remember that? I'm sure Sam B's wife would have liked that, and Sam B would have liked it too. He wouldn't have to pay for it. But these things sometimes just get said for political reasons. We might get a little pop here to 340 and then a drop after that. Maybe not even 340, maybe like 337. Oh, man. Or would we give the money back we made? I thought it was going to go to erase the debt we have. Yeah, I thought it was going to be to pay down the debt too. They've raised 170 billion so far. Is that the correct number? I think it's something more like 70 billion. Let me ask Grok. How much money has been raised so far from Trump's tariffs?
Man, it's a ton more than before, but not the trillions Trump claims. Latest figures show about $195 billion raised from tariffs in fiscal year 2025 so far. That's up huge from last year, though it's still just a sliver of the overall budget.
Oh, yeah, you're closer than I was. You're 195 billion. Yeah, I was thinking it was like 70 billion. But yeah, that's a good chunk. That's a good chunk. And we still haven't even worked out the tariffs with China yet. That's the big dog. That's the big dog. Looks like we're gonna get a pop here to 337 possibly, guys. I think the U.S. might be in big trouble. You think? The U.S. has been in big trouble since they got rid of the gold standard. Since we introduced the Fed back in 1914, the U.S. dollar has lost like 97% of its value since then. That's hilarious. It's funny, but it's not. When you get your 2K, you're going to spend it all on Newport's Pecos? You know, there's a Pecos in Texas. Is that why your name is Pecos? Is that why you use the word Pecos? Because of Pecos, Texas? Let's just never pay the debt we have back and keep running it forever. I was just thinking about you, Pecos, because I was watching Lioness. In one of the episodes, they were in Pecos, Texas. I was like, oh, maybe that's why Pecos uses that word, that name. That would be a mess, Jay. Oh, you did a lot of work near Pecos? How you been, Pecos? I know you've been working on the fields. You been all right, man? Life's treating you good? Have any chance to do any trading? Market of Beast system is coming soon? Yeah. I mean, it's written. One minute's looking very bullish. Let me show you real quick the 1 minute. Got a nice looking candle here to the upside. Very nice looking candle here. If it gets swept one more time, it would be better. Oh, you've done okay in the last week during the London session? Cool, man. That's good to hear, man. I'm glad you're all right. Joey, did you really? Is this on your trade? Is this on your trade cup, whatever that's called? Tradeify World Cup, or is this on like a eval? I'm sorry to laugh, dude. It's just the way you say it. It's funny. Your TopStep demo? Oh, thank God. I thought it was real. Yeah, this is where it looks like it could dump, guys. Stop loss. Oh, she's still ripping. Taking this as a little paper trade. Still a little higher. She still wants a little higher. She still wants a little more. If you guys get those $2,000, you just spend it all on we just spend it all on evals to send it all to Apex and TopStep. Vote in 1 hour? There's a vote in 1 hour? Really? Still holding the long since 15. Nice, brother. Yeah, it looks like the longs really did kick in here, especially in that 1 minute. That 1 minute looked really good. Look at the volume. We got it coming in, Sambi. Volume is looking very, very, very pumpy. Might get stuck there in that overnight high. They're gonna start a short squeeze on a Sunday night. These bulls have no manners. I guess they will. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, they mean it. They mean it. They're not playing. They're not playing. My first time using the diamond method on the 6 p.m. Sunday session. I usually just trade Asia session at 9 p.m. Yeah. Do I have a thunderstorm where I am? Sounds like it. Yeah, I have a thunderstorm here. What's up, William? I buy 10 SPY 0 DTE calls. Yeah, it's raining really hard. Can you hear it? Yeah, it's snow there? Yeah, it snow's the worst. Damn, she's dumping. Now she's dumping. They're filthy. Those filthy animals. Looking for a long-term grind at 375? My cousin is wondering when you stream on Twitch, how frequently? I stream every Monday through Friday. Usually Sundays I come on once in a while when I don't have my daughters with me. And I'm usually on from the New York Open to the close. I hope you're not a bot, because the next question you're going to be is, do you want to get free viewers on Twitch? Looks pretty dumpy. Looks pretty dumpy now. Wang just waited for you to look away. Yeah, I think Wang did get me. Mr. Huang. Where is he, Mr. Huang? Yeah, he was like, Mr. Huang was here just waiting. He's like, oh, you want to go short? I take your stop and then I drop. And that's exactly what he did. Took my stop and then he dropped it. Mr. Huang. I got to work on my Chinese accent. Mr. Huang's the worst, man. This is Chinese. You're not trading it. Don't be racial profiling, dude. Especially the markets. Markets don't like when you racial profile them. They might sweep this level here and then make an attempt to go a little bit higher, because we did have the pretty important candle right here. But if she doesn't really care about it, this could turn into resistance now. It's looking quite dumpy there. You went long on gold, Goring? We're getting some pretty nice moves now. It's not that bad. It's getting kind of heavy. Dumpy, dumpy. Shorts are looking all right. Hmm. Really big delta we got on that move. Nice little move right back up. I think she's got a little bit more of a move down first, though. I think she's got a little bit more down to go. Scotia 64, welcome to the channel. Trying to long here, see if it'll give a little pop back to sweep that 295 level. I think there's a good chance. Got her. We had to get her sooner or later. Now I think she might drop. Now she might do the little drop. I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. I have to sing to the NQ for her to do nice things. Oh, by the way, Sam B, here's the 1 minute. 1 minute looked pretty decent for the long pullback. So I think she might still run. I'm all out of love. It still looks like she wants a little more to the upside. She might go up to sweep 320. Sam B's gonna leave this trade to get some milk. That boy need milk. As soon as I went long, it dropped it and chased it all the way down 800 drawdown. You got it back, Quantum. What's up, Mo Lester? I was hoping you'd stop in and say hi. What's going on, brother? Hopefully you're doing all right. I'll be here until about 9 p.m. You guys can come and hang out. We'll do some Sunday night DGen trading. We can't wait for Monday, so we gotta start trading on Sunday. That's how bad we are. We're trading Bitcoin like crack fiends on the weekend. I'm just kidding. I didn't trade Bitcoin this weekend. Although I was gonna take a trade this morning and I completely forgot because I got sidetracked and I went to go play basketball and then I looked and the market ran for like 3,000 points. I was like, oh man. I was kind of a little disappointed in myself. Mo, I heard all the New Yorkers are going to move to Canada, bro. They said if Mandami gets elected, they're all moving to Canada. Did you hear about that? Long from 312 says AMA. One minute's looking really pumpy. ATR is pretty nice too, sitting at almost 13 on the 1 minute. We just swept that 320 mark. Yeah, they all are going to Texas and Florida. That's true. Try the long again here. Could be wrong this time. Missed me by a hair. Don't do me like that, NQ. I'm just gonna take her off. She missed me by a hair. Can you believe that, guys? Typical NQ though. Still like it though. Still like the long. Do I think Bitcoin's gonna hold till Monday? What's BT? Or November 2021 dump fear. What is BT though? BTC? I think BTC is gonna hit 107 and then reverse back down. Yeah. I got a feeling they can hold this here and push it up past the VWAP again. That's the way it's looking. Looking very strong. I wouldn't be shorting this. If she does break through here, the next level of resistance is really all the way up at 350. AMA, you're doing good? I hope so. Are you broke even? You're good till tomorrow, Ethan? Rich? Nice, man. I'm glad to hear that. You're going short, Quantum? I think they could sweep 306 where we're doing right now and then find a pullback. $4,012 is your entry on gold. Nice, Goreen. This is going right back up to VWAP more than likely. Looks like they want to push it up. That's what I'm thinking. Right back up to 320, guys. Be careful here. We have a lot of absorption up here right now by the bulls. So more than likely, they're going to want to push this back up above 320. There you go. Very strong. Don't believe those shorts. That's why you're not shorting? Oh, okay, gotcha. I thought you were shorting. I'm all out of love. Is VWAP gonna stop the bulls? No. VWAP already got broken. She's still pushing. Not stopping. She's not stopping. Ooh, that was pretty strong. It's kind of dumpy here. On her 15 seconds, she looks a little dumpy. But I don't think she's gonna drop just yet. It's consolidating here around the VWAP. Be careful trading around the VWAP, guys. Things start to get a little weird around there. Things do get a little weird around the VWAP. She's got a target up at 350 possibly. Do I take live trades? Yeah, I already took a bunch. Look at my P&L. Are you using a 5-minute chart? I'm using a 15, the 1, the 5 right now because it's Sunday, so not much movement. AMA, you went long at 323 with 5 contracts? Nice, man. You made some money on that, I'm assuming. It's Sunday night DJs training. I love it. Yeah, that's why I took. I've been taking mines with 7 contracts. Yeah. Yeah. This might come down, guys. I'm looking at a lot of different things right now, and it's looking like it might want to come down. We just swept the absorption here. They love sweeping this. After it gets swept, there's a good chance that right here. Got swept right there. This is going to be resistance. Yeah, I don't think that's going to hold. What the? Damn. Thanks for subscribing, Fakel. Eat. They're pushing her pretty hard here. Yeah, we're gonna get this push. Yeah, this does not look like it's got much strength on it right now. Shorts are looking pretty nice. ATRs are looking a little bit softer now than what they were before. Right up on a VWAP. Try a quick short here. See if it'll go. I'll take her off. A couple $100 here. Uh-oh, she's going back up. She's going back up. Where is she? Yeah. It looks like she still wants possibly 350. Yikes. She tapped 330 again. Tony Gold. What's up, Tony Gold? Coda PAG. Yeah, I'm here on Sunday, brother. Modern Jazz. Yeah. I'm going to put, every time I put on Spotify, guys, I get copyright strike. So I'm going to play, my stuff here. Hope you enjoy that a little better. Still respecting that trend line? There you go, brother. This music is bussin'. Bussin' for real. Oh, man. What are we doing here in Q? Looks like she wants to go to 350. $350. Hey Siri, alert me when it is 7:59. Alert me when it's 7:59. Did I set everybody else's series off at home? Let's pull back. Yeah, we're gonna go sideways here for a minute. It's so weird. All of a sudden it stopped raining here. Looks like we're gonna dump. Possibly dump here. Possibly. Right now our momentum wave is a chop fest, so be careful. You can trade this little range here. I have it on a 15-second. That's probably the only thing you can trade. The 1 minute looks way too tight. You hate your mouse. That's so funny. You know what I did the other day? I deactivated my hotkey for buys, I think, or I deactivated my hotkeys. Yeah, I think I deactivated my hotkeys so I couldn't buy, because I kept trying to catch the falling knife, and I kept getting wrecked. So I deactivated my hotkey that allows me to buy, and I only had a sell button activated. I had to go to those extremes. Sometimes you gotta take extreme measures, guys. Quarter PAG says nice. I think this is gonna pop here. I see the absorption happening real time. Which side won? I got chopped in trade so far. Which side? I don't know what you mean. Which side? You can cook me already for 500. Yo, don't trade this range, guys. Unless you're trading like the 5-second chart. Like this range is too tight. I mean, right now it looks like, to me, it looks like the bulls have run into a brick wall here at the VWAP, having a really hard time. So it's anybody's market right now. It bottomed out, your RSI. I'm just playing an eval, improving hunting skills. Yeah. What I'm gonna say, Amar, is that right now we're in a choppy range, and we need some volume to come into the market to move us in one direction or the other, so we can start trending again. I noticed that I trade a lot better when the market is trending rather than ranging. You're not leaving Asia without a break even, but you only traded a demo account, right, Joey? You're not trading like anything real, are you? Joey says the market owes him something. Are you trading an eval? Or are you trading demo? You're trading demo, right? Okay. Right now I have it on a 15-second, but I'm switching back between a 1 minute and a 15. I have other charts open that are 1 minute, 5 minute. But the main chart, I have it on 15 seconds because it's so choppy and the range is so small. It makes more sense. This is looking pretty good though. Looks like they want to pop this thing higher. We just had an absorption candle here on the 1 minute. I think they'll probably sweep this one more time before bringing it up for real. Watch this level get swept one more time, 310. Then it'll probably take a move to the upside. Could go now though. Trading the cup and an eval, damn. We've got another move. I think we got another move coming down before we go up. They're probably gonna sweep this green line I have here first. try a quick short here. I'll take it. I need her to go quick. If she don't go quick, then I'm just taking her. We're gonna make the next one count, guys. Yeah, I think they're gonna sweep, like I said, I think they're gonna sweep this level here and then pop it back up. Watch them sweep this 310 level and then pop it right back up. Maybe bring it down to like 300, 305, and then bring it right back up. This is NQ. This is NQ fake out. Nasdaq. Futures though. Are you trading futures or do you have live data? Because if you don't have live data, you're not going to see it like this. You're going to see information from 15 minutes ago if you don't have live data. It's starting to get kind of dumpy here at 307. I still think she has a little more. Yeah, she can get a move down to 300 and pop from there. That's what I'm thinking. Asian market's about to open? Yeah, 15 minutes, right? Watch the move down to 300, guys. Maybe a little bit more than 300, maybe 295 for a quick pop-up after that. Get a quick karate chop at 8 o'clock? Maybe. Oh wow, 8 p.m. is going to be nuts then, Jay. Thank you for that. $293 might be a level. Oh, she came back. Oh wow, I didn't even see that 1 minute. The 1 minute looked really good. Damn, Bitcoin's ripping right now. She's at 106. It might be a kaboom or kaboosh. What's up, Yatter? Right back at VWAP now. I'm gonna try this last one here. Hopefully it's my last one. I don't trust it. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. Should have kept it, but it's all good in the hood. Should have trusted it, would have been done. Should have trusted it. Gold just moved over $10, really? Holy smokes, gold. Damn, gold. Go look and take it easy, gold. Got 9 minutes till the Tokyo Open. I think that's Tokyo. Ripping. Ripping, ripping. Nice move here. Nice move for the Bulls. They did do that. They did do that sweep of 310 and brought it right back up, like we expected her to do. Things are getting bullish. You still have a long in mind, Sambi? All the way up? Good start to the week, says Goreen. Maybe. That was a really nice pullback. Yeah, I still think we got a little juice left in here. This long is still probably gonna find some momentum somewhere in this area. Nice little popper right there. Nice little popper. nice. We got the break above the 334s, and looks like she wants to go straight up to 350. Beautiful two dojis here, both bullish absorption. And this is now support. She's running. We're about to get that Asia open. Asia open coming right up. Mr. Wang is going to be very happy about that. Oh, she getting crazy, all right. You want like a tone? Sorry guys, I'm not a DJ. I got to trade, man. If you guys can't agree on music, I'm just going to turn it off, okay? Things are looking kind of bullish, but they may drop. We got 1 minute till the Asia open here. Check the chain. We love the music, Joey. At least I do. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I'm just messing with you guys. Yeah, looking kind of dumpy right now. She might give us a good old smackdown right now. That would make a whole lot of sense. All right, we got about 27 seconds. Instead, Mr. Huang and his friends show up. Five seconds, guys. 5 seconds. Look alive. Look alive. Right back to the upside. We got uppers. We got downers. We got uppers and downers. 350 about to be taken out. Boy, she crazy. How do you move your stop loss on this platform? What platform are we talking about? Sambi trusts the diamond. Sambi, do you want me to put it back on the 1 minute? I'm outlining where the diamonds are anyway. I don't know if you see it or not, but I'm outlining where the diamonds are. That's the 1 minute. You could reject here. This chart, Thomas. What's up, Phoenix? How you doing, brother? You trading gold tonight, or you trading NQ? She keeps it ripping, ripping, ripping. Man, she looking strong, bro. Strong, strong, strong. Ooh, NQ, you so strong. Deactivate your sell buying, guys. Looks like the Asians are hungry for some Nasdaq. Take profit trader just completed you for 4 account buffer. What does that mean? Looking bullish too. Oh, nice job, Phoenix. Crushing it, brother. So strong like bull. Alright, she's still holding this 350 level, which is good. All right, guys. Next level that we got to keep on our radar is 390. That's the high of the evening. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is a really good one, Phoenix. I happen to like them a lot too. She got kind of choppy here out of nowhere, didn't she? Some might say she's bull flagging. We won't know that until she breaks out. Good old Nasdaq. All right. Oh man, I don't know what she's gonna do next, but it sure is exciting to watch. She still looks like she wants to go higher. She's absorbing a lot of this delta. Your full port of 10 contracts just hit my trailing stop for 6,900. Damn, Samby. Was that with your margin account? That's amazing, brother. Samby, I don't know what you see, dude, but God bless you, man. This guy made $6,900 in his sleep. Yeah, it looks that way, Joey. You might as well start DCAing now. The diamond shows you the truth, huh? 375 and above. Do you think 9 p.m. is going to flush Phoenix? Take care, Thomas Otto. Thank you for stopping in. Appreciate having you here. This one looks kind of dumpy. This one here could bring us back down to the 350s. If she plays out. Actually, maybe not. More absorption, huh? What's up, King Kent? How you doing, brother? On Twitch, nice to see you. You can ask me a question. I'm just waiting right now for a trade entry. I've taken a few tonight. We did all right, but I need one more to pass our eval. You can't go up forever, said Mo. We need to short this, Joey. Mo just clarified that it can't go up forever. We need to start. We need to start DCAing now. I'm only looking for longs. You want me to take a look at a stock for you? Sure, no problem. Just drop it in the chat. I'll look at it when I'm done with the trading. Who's getting cooked? Right now, the bears are getting cooked. This looks kind of dumpy, though. I'm starting to see some dumpy signals, but I'm not taking any shorts because she's massively bullish. I'm not getting caught up in no good old-fashioned short squeeze here. Did I hear about the stockbroker who got a job at the Gap? Now he's a short seller. Bro, you're too good at this. Joey never gets cooked. Joey does the cooking. Joey's a chef, bro. I can't believe Joey's 22. Mo, did you know Joey's 22? He barely's got any beard hair. He just basically barely made it to drink legally. That's crazy, Joey. I didn't know you were young like that, bro. It's all good though, bro. You know a lot for your age. SanDisk, it's my stock. When things go bad, I run to see. When things go bad, I don't see it going up $35. We'll take a look at SanDisk. I've been hearing about SanDisk recently, making some moves. Man, my neck's been bothering me for days now. Hopefully you're profitable by my age. Yeah, you just gotta survive long enough, dude. Keep your wins small. Keep your wins big. That's all we got to do. And don't be impatient. Look, take a look, Joey. It took Phoenix a whole 3 months to get profitable. So don't expect to get profitable overnight. It takes up to 3 months. Is this level 2 data? I don't know about. It's not level 2 data, but it's real time NQ quotes. Yeah, BTC is probably ripping up right now. Where are we at with BTC right now? I'll take a look at it in just a second. Yeah, BTC's at 106,200. That's crazy. That is crazy. I was supposed to be in that long. I missed it this morning because I was playing basketball. Totally forgot about it. Yeah, Phoenix is crazy. It's crazy good. You went to $35 after you got in. I'm thinking about just sitting my money on it. It keeps breaking you higher. Take your original profit out, King Kent. Take your original profit out, dude. I would do that. Take your original profit and then leave a moon bag. Take profits along the way. Because if you start to get into the habit of thinking it's going to go up forever and you're going to listen to everybody on YouTube saying it's going to go up forever, you're going to be a bag holder, brother. Sam B, thank you, man. Appreciate you saying that. Gold is going, huh? Yeah, I'm keeping my eyes on the NQ right now at the moment. NQ's looking so-so. What's up, Ramona? How you doing, brother? Hope you're feeling well. No, thanks, King Ken. Market's just grinding up to 390s right now. Usually when she grinds like this, she usually gives us a big drop afterwards. So be careful for that. She just absorbed a massive amount of delta. This thing's gonna pop right now. Either she's gonna pop really hard right now or she's gonna dump, because we just took a big hit of delta just now in that last 15-second candle. Tokyo opened at 8 p.m. China opens at 9. Yeah, that's usually how it works. Yeah, 9 p.m. is a better open than an 8 p.m. open. Gold is kabooming, huh? Yeah, we're definitely going to get a ripper once this market opens up and people start getting their money. Because there's a lot of people who don't have money right now. Nice little pop to the upside here. Watch the 390s. Got 140 off on that long, Joey. Nice, man. Oof, what a little dumper there. $390 rejected. Oof. Should start getting kind of heavy now. Look at gold. Might as well. Damn, gold. Damn, gold is ripping. Gold knows something. Gold knows something and she's not telling us. Gold and the NQ are supposed to move inversely of each other. Has anyone told the NQ that? She's massively bullish right now on the 1 minute. So I wouldn't really be touching this thing. Still a good time to short, says Mo. This is the end of the world. Master Chifu is controlling the NQ. Now so it's floating with gold. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I really don't. All I know is NQ is real consolidating right now. What's 390 and beyond? Am I taking any more trades if I see a good setup clips? Right now, I only need 750 more to pass this eval. But I'm not gonna force it and rush it. Right now, we're just consolidating, so it's not really for me to do here. I'm just kind of chilling and waiting. Just kind of chilling, waiting, and calling the market as I see it. But I mean, if you're actively looking for a trade right now, I would say you're probably going to be wrong either way because he's going to chop probably for a bit. Yeah. Dano says they're going to vote on the shutdown, and if it passes, the market might pop. That's very true. She might pop overnight and then dump tomorrow. That'd be classic NQ. Oh, she's going. We got 25.4. Yeah, she's a mover. She's a mover on a Sunday night. Good moves on a Sunday night. I would have thunk. Not I said to fly. She might give us a good little tap here. Gold just pumped 6 D points. Wow. Should we trade gold instead? Should we be trading gold? Give me gold. I love gold. Something's gonna happen. This thing's going massively to the upside. Oh yeah, Samby, you're doing good today, huh? Dollars or points, not ticks. Doing all right, man. Thanks, Joey. Something's telling me 90 RSI isn't a good buy. I don't know. Oh yeah, she's giving some back now. NQ's giving some back. There she goes. There she goes again. Oh, and she about to get dumpy, guys, because there really isn't any support until we get down to like 350 area. Oh, man. She holds it up here. She is dumping now, fellas. Which instrument is this, Gabriel? This is the NQ. Nasdaq on a 15-second. If you guys prefer to look at the 1 minute, let me know and I'll switch screens out. Watch for some a sweep of this level here. Guys, I'll pay attention to the chat in just a moment here. We're getting some good moves on the NQ, so I'm trying to pay attention here. Watch the sweep here under 372. Asian market's underrated. You doing good, Joey? Yeah, everything is on 8. Good night, Phoenix. Take care, brother. Oh, you will, Joey. You got this, brother. Let's see if we can get this pushed down to 7. They're going to sweep one more time. They're going to sweep this thing one more time to the upside and then bring it down possibly. We need you at 74 NQ. We need you at 74, baby. Come on. We need you at 74. Ah, you suck, NQ. Trend lines everywhere. Yeah, I took Tori's new course. I took her new course and it really helped me. So I'm trying to put some of her teachings, implement some of her new teachings. She goes to 74. Does she go to 74? I don't know. Yeah, she's ripping back up. Oh no! She's a ripper. I guess no more shorts. I don't know. $395 is your TP? He just missed you, huh? Oh, you might be dumping this thing here. She's playing her nasty NQ games. Damn, my last break even cost me $150. Is that how much slippage they gave me? Why does it say I have no trades? Damn, the last break even I got cost me $150. That is bad. That is really bad. And watch him go for that sweep now. That sweep of this level down here. Careful here, guys, at this 380s. I think she's just making a little bit of a pullback here before dumping it down under 372. What's up, Art? I'm gonna wait for that sweep under 372 for a long. If this thing breaks for she may want to go higher, guys, but she definitely wants to sweep 372 before doing that. I'm like 90% sure that that's what they're trying to do here, is trap these traders to go long right now and then go sweep them and then go long. So watch this sweep of 372. I'm not telling you to short. I'm just telling you watch 372. If it gets swept, could be a nice reversal to the upside there. think it's about time for us to switch to the one. Price is getting kind of slow on us. Yeah, everything was kind of pumpy. So at any moment we could get news from the government shutdown too. We could get a crazy candle out of nowhere. 395 AMA, nice, brother. How much did you make on that? Exactly what you're thinking? Good job, AMA. All right, they took it out. They took out the high there. They didn't bother with 372. $51 yes, 30 no so far. I'm not that quick of a trader, Phoenix, to trail it. I can't trail that quickly like some of you guys. I moved it to break even. At least I did that much. I wish there was an auto trail. None of these have an auto trail unless I use like something like Sierra Charts or Quantile or something. Just like Ninja Trader maybe has a auto trail. Trying to pass a one-day EVA on this breakout. Nice, Schultz. Red order blocks up at 435. Take profit trader on Tradeify. Tradeify doesn't have does not have auto trailing. You have to manually trail it. Am I wrong? It does. Tradeify has auto trailing. Get the heck out of here. How come I didn't know that? Does Project X have that too? Yeah, all the algos are focused on the Senate vote. It does, huh? Ninja Trader and Tradeify are not the same thing, dude. Ninja Trader is completely different. They're the same company, but they're different. I thought you were trading on TradingView, bro. I thought you were trading on TradingView. Oh, what the hell did I do? Oh man, I just hit the wrong button. I hit a button by accident and I lost money on it. Come on, are you serious? I was up like $160. I hit the buy button by accident. I was trying to erase. I was trying to hit the delete button, and I hit the buy button by accident. That sucks. Oh, that sucks. course it did. Abort, abort. Yeah, that's what I just said. My heart almost jumped out of my chest. Nice job, Art. Man, that sucked. I was literally like $750 away. I haven't taken a loss yet. Had a break even. It cost me $150, and now I just entered a trade by accident because I hit the wrong button. I am a special trader. Over here trying to clean up my chart. Instead, I hit the buy button. I am one class act. And this thing just ripped. At least I went long on it. Even though I went long, I still ended up taking a small loss. I don't know how. Let's see what they do here. Guys. I just gotta be patient and wait here. Wait for something interesting to happen. Something needs to happen here. We need to shake it up a little bit. Do I ever use the 5-minute orb for Open of New York? I use the 15-minute and the 1 hour. You like the 5? Do you just keep pumping it, Joey? Yeah, they do. Three-minute orb too? I think you can pretty much use any time frame as long as you have a strategy around it. Market is massively strong. Massively. Five-second orb works for me too. Well, you taught me something new today, Phoenix. I didn't know Tradeify offers a trailing stop. I thought it was a bracket order and that's it. Uh-oh. Mr. Huang is going to be here soon. Mr. Huang. Did they forget? No, here you go. What's up, gained weight? ATM strategies, you have to create them? Really? How much room do you give your trailing stop, Phoenix? How many points or ticks? All right, see if we can pick up these ATRs a bit. He's looking kind of dumpy. I gotta look at that. Why are we suspended in midair? I don't know. I think the China market's gonna hit them so hard. They're just like kind of like warming up their hands right now. They're like this. All right. Should we hit the button? Should we hit the button? They're just warming up. They're about to slam this thing, or they're gonna rip it to the upside. One or the other. I think it's gonna be more slammy than anything, but we'll see. I think they're gonna slam it back down. But I'm not going to be the guinea pig. She's not doing much here. The only thing is you can't add to your position because you'll mess everything up. Yeah, because it gets added with the brackets again, right? Yeah, I'm not going to force a trade either. We still have tomorrow. That's good reasoning, Joey. Yeah, you're a very smart man for 22. You're a very, very smart man. You sure you're not lying about your age, Joey? I need to see some ID. You just forced like 17 trades. I forced a trade just now by accident because I pressed the buy button on my hotkeys by accident while I was trying to erase some trend lines off my chart. I forced that trade. Sorry, tell you all you know. Man, she even teaches people how to become mature. What can she teach? Is anybody's stats working on Project X? Because I looked at my stats and my stats are all missing. Anybody using Project X tonight? Wow, did they not open China today? Is there a Chinese holiday? It's 56.40 right now. Yeah, that would be nice. Yeah, this is very grindy though. You're 62 trades right now? On Friday you did 267 trades. Don't be afraid to trade heavy. That's crazy, dude. I don't know how you do it. Slippage was nasty. Nice, MR. That's a lot. Oh, what just happened? We finally got a little bit of life. Market woke up. Mr. Huang said, you know, we sell now, we sell. I'm still looking at 372. Let's see if they come back down and sweep that. Guys, I think I'm going to call it a night here. I'm going to go spend some time with the wife. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be here nice and early, 9:15. Hope you guys are doing all right. Yeah, we made enough doll hairs for tonight. I'm satisfied with my dollar hairs. Yeah, take care, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't stay up too late.